Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best GorillaPod is probably one of the most versatile tools for iPhone photography and videography. It allows you to capture stunning photos and videos from unique angles, thanks to its flexible legs that can grip onto almost anything. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this tripod can significantly improve the quality of your mobile content, offering stability and creative freedom in any environment. Number 5. Joby GorillaPod 3K Kit, Black Charcoal. This tripod is incredibly flexible. Its wrappable legs allow you to secure it to almost any surface, giving you endless possibilities for your shots. It's perfect for capturing unique angles. Get the perfect shot every time with the 360-degree panning bed and 90-degree tilt. The built-in bubble level ensures your shots are perfectly aligned. This allows for optimal position control. This kit is part of a modular system. It works seamlessly with Joby Pro-level accessories, expanding its functionality. You can easily add mounts for GoPro, flash clips, lights, and microphones. Crafted from high-quality materials like ABS plastic, aluminum, stainless steel, and TPE, this tripod is built to last. It's designed to withstand the rigors of professional use. This tripod is incredibly versatile. It allows you to mount lights, microphones, and monitors, providing you with a complete setup for your creative projects. It can support up to 3 kilograms. What we like. This tripod's flexible legs let you wrap it around anything. The 360-degree panning bed and bubble level ensure perfect shots. If you're looking for a tripod that can adapt to any environment and provide precise control, you should consider this one. What people say. The ball head is a must-have, otherwise you won't have the range of motion to frame up your shot after attaching the pod to something like a pole or railing. There is a quick release plate for your camera which is a must. It's very sturdy, lightweight, and quite versatile as you'd expect. I've not had any issues with it whatsoever in the 3 months I've had it. Wrapped it around fences, contorted it on rocks and trees, and it works perfectly. Number 4. Joby GripTight 1GP Universal Phone Holder. This phone holder features a compact and foldable design, making it incredibly portable. It's perfect for on-the-go use, easily fitting into your bag or pocket. It fits most smartphones, whether they have a case or not. This universal design ensures that it works with your device, providing a secure hold. The stainless steel spring-loaded design allows for quick and easy smartphone attachment and detachment. This feature saves you time and effort. The flexible legs with a rotating ball head provide endless platform options and creative angles. You can wrap it around objects or stand it on uneven surfaces. Enjoy watching your favorite sports events, like the FIFA World Cup, with this phone holder. It provides a stable and adjustable platform for your smartphone. The package includes one GripTight 1GP stand in black. Get ready to experience the convenience and versatility of this phone holder. What we like. Its compact design makes it incredibly portable. The universal fit accommodates most smartphones. If you like a small, easy-to-carry tripod that still offers creative angles, you should consider this one. What people say. Flexible legs allow you to secure your camera to virtually anything. Works great for taking pictures and videos. The ball head allows for easy adjustment and the legs are very sturdy. Number 3. Joby GripTight GorillaPod Stand Pro. This stand is designed to fit any smartphone model, with or without a case. It provides a secure and stable hold for your device. You can use it with confidence. The stand is built with durable ABS plastic, TPE grip pads, and stainless steel plates. This premium construction ensures it can withstand daily use. It's designed to last. This stand is designed for capturing images, videos, or enjoying media. It provides a secure hold for your smartphone. You can trust it to keep your phone safe. The stand allows you to adjust the tilt angle. This feature helps you avoid glare on your screen. It provides flexibility for different viewing angles. With this stand, you can easily capture photos and videos. It provides a stable platform for your smartphone. It's perfect for any situation. What we like. This tripod offers universal smartphone compatibility, fitting almost any phone. Its robust build ensures a secure hold. If you need a reliable tripod for capturing images or enjoying media, you should consider this one. What people say. It grips the phone great, and the bendable legs are really great, because you can position a camera in a lot of different ways. It's also great to hold the camera with, like a handle, keeping your hands away from the microphone. Overall it feels very heavy-duty. It's flexible and doesn't feel too light or like it's going to break. Number 2. Joby GorillaPod Mobile Vlogging Kit. This kit is designed for mobile content creators. It's a combination of 3 ideal products to help you create impactful videos. It's perfect for shooting on the go. The GorillaPod mobile rig base gives you ultimate flexibility. You can grip it, wrap it, or stand it. It supports both landscape and portrait orientations, making it adaptable for any video scenario. Capture clear audio with the Wavo mobile microphone. It works indoors or outdoors with your phone or camera. The Rycote Lyre shock mount provides exceptional isolation, minimizing unwanted noise. Get perfect lighting with the BMO Mini LED light. It's dimmable and Bluetooth controlled. This light ensures accurate colors, CRI 95 plus 4 great skin tones. You can easily customize this kit to fit your needs. Add or remove components depending on your shoot. Just add your own creative flair to get outstanding results in any video situation. What we like. This kit is designed for mobile content creators. It offers flexible positioning with landscape and portrait orientations. If you're a vlogger looking for a complete solution with great audio and lighting, you should consider this one. What people say. The legs can wrap around mostly anything so that I can get the shot I need. The mic works better than just my regular phone mic, especially if I'm indoors. Easy to use. Greatly made. Number 1. Joby GorillaPod 5K Stand. This is the Joby GorillaPod 5K stand. It's a premium flexible tripod designed for professional-grade DSLR cameras. It can support devices up to 5K. The wrappable legs allow you to secure it to almost any surface. This flexibility makes it perfect for capturing unique angles and perspectives. It's designed to hold professional camera equipment. It can handle equipment weighing up to 5 kilograms, making it incredibly versatile. This stand is strong enough to hold devices up to 5 kilograms. You can trust it to keep your equipment safe and steady. It's built with anodized aluminum. This construction ensures durability and smooth movement, so it will last for a long time. What we like. The wrappable legs allow you to secure it to any surface. It can hold professional camera equipment. If you need a strong and durable tripod for your DSLR or other devices, you should consider this one. What people say. The ability to place it on any uneven surface and level the camera is probably the most handy and most used function of this combo. It has held up the following cameras: Canon T3i with heavy vintage prime lenses, Panasonic FZ1000, Panasonic G7 with adapters and old lenses, GoPro Hero 4, and Canon Vixia video camera, all with a Sennheiser MKE 600 shotgun microphone attached to the shoe. The quality of the materials is excellent, of a manufacturer Precisa, the mayor part in aluminum, the plastic and hull that has this feels durable and of good quality. The ball head is equally excellent, very practical for making adjustments in the position of the camera. The movement is so smooth that you can even do pans as you would with a fluid tripod for video. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.